Good morning, guys. I'm here with Superintendent Kendall. He's working for a project in Houston. Kendall, thank you very much for taking the time.
Oh, no problem.
Tell us a little bit about you. What's your background?
Basically, my background is in construction. I build mostly schools and have been doing it for almost 20 years.
20 years.
20 years.
Experience. And what places have you done projects? All in Texas?
Yeah, all over in Houston. I've done Friendswood ISD. I've done Santa Fe ISD. I've worked for HISD. All just school projects.
Okay. So tell us, you wake up in the morning. Well, normally what time you get here?
Normally I'm here about 6:30.
6:30. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what are the things that you normally do?
Basically count heads to see how many people that we have on site for the day, set their scope of work, and do my daily reports and things of that nature.
Okay. For the new or people that watch these videos, new engineers and new architects, and also new construction managers.
Yes, sir.
When you say you count heads, what do you mean by that?
Basically, you count the amount of subs that are on the job to make sure that you have adequate amount of help to get everything done that you need to get done. I produce a 3-week look ahead every week, which in that return, you need to make sure that you have adequate help to get all the 3-week look ahead taken care of.
All right. So like a school project what's the process? What's the first thing you do on a project? Once you get the contract, after you get the contract and your project manager said, hey, here's the contract, you're going to do this project. What
at that point, I will start building a schedule to complete the job, depending on what the duration of the job is. We'll get the trailer moved in. We'll get the job with security fence around it, 40 cans delivered. And the first thing I do is bring the dirt guy here. Basically, the dirt contractor removes all the roughage from off the ground. Excuse me. And then once that is completed, I'll bring in any underground utility guys that need to bring their stuff into the building, and basically we'll start, forming up and getting ready for concrete and walls and everything that it takes to complete the job.
Okay. For a school project, what's the more complicated assignments or activities you face?
Mechanical rooms and kitchens are the hardest thing in school projects. Those are the first places that you start when you start building schools. You start in the kitchen and the mechanical, because without that, you have no conditioned air. You're not able to do your inside finishes without conditioned air. So that is the starting point for a school. Start in the kitchen and the mechanical room. Work your way through the rest of the building.
Great. Now, what would be your advice or recommendation for the new engineers, the new architects, or new construction managers to avoid or to do on their plans so they can, when you get that construction documents are good, what would be your advice? Or what you seen in the past, normally you wish there was a better drawing? What would be your advice?
Basically, I go through the drawings. I try to verify what I can. Of course, there's going to be things that are missed, and you just work hand in hand with the architect to, accomplish these goals.
Okay, beautiful. And 2 more questions. Show me what you have there, OSHA. What is OSHA? What's on the wall here?
Okay, basically what this is issued through the state of Texas, and this just tells everybody their rights. It tells you that you have the right to contact OSHA for any kind of safety violations that you feel that are on the job. Just tells you that, the hazards and things that you need to look forward working on the job, and that the government, is just trying to help you out.
All right. Any last advice you want to provide to the new generation?
It's a great career. If you're a good people person, you'll do great with it.
Kendall, thank you very much for
your time. Welcome.